At least 42 people have been reported dead following a dam that broke its banks on Monday following heavy rainfall. The old Kijabe Dam, located along the Great Rift Valley, here swept with it cars and even people's houses following the heavy downpour. Many people saying it has caused a lot of destruction and even transportation has been interfered with.
Wale wengine wamebebwa na watoto. Kutoka hapo nimeona serikali imekuja kusaidia, na kama wakati hii naona jamu imeshikana na tena mvua inaanzia kunyesha na ile maji kwa mto inasemekana itarudi tena.
Unaweza ukapoint nyumba.